It's me, Rinsu, in the house. Well, I started music when I was second year high school as a folk singer in Corkroom, Philippines, Olongapo City. And after a few years, I switched to rock and roll. So I learned how to play drums and also main vocalist for rock and roll. And then after a few years, I switched to variety music, which I learned to play a lot of disco songs, ballad, love songs. And up to now, I'm still performing here in California, Los Angeles, and mostly on all the Noy Beach places like Rancho Cucamonga, Long Beach, LA, West Covina, and other more places for Filipino where they hang around. So up to now, I'm still love music. So anyway, I have 3 kids. I got 2 boys and a girl, but they're already big. So all I want to say is good luck to all of us, to all those competitors for this grand final. And I'll see you there on January 31st at the what they call this place for Scientology in Hollywood. So once again, Rinsu in the house. Giliwan mo sanang isipin, kaya tinisanin, di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. Nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Ilang ulit mo na itinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan, hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal. Hanggang may ibig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin, di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang iwan ko'y mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iibig. Oh, giliw, huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais ko malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang may puso ako magmahal, nang sinisigaw ay lagi nang ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kita mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y tunay na may kapal. Giliw, huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Tanging ikaw.
Rizzo!
Who's in the house?
Rizzo in the house! Thank you! Alright, hi Rizzo! How are you?
I'm okay.
Kamusta?
Hi, fans!
When did you plan yung pag-meal mo sa gitna ng stage?
Alam mo, I tried a lot of times to practice that in the right timing.
Right,
That's why I'm wearing this.
He's ready, guys.
Prepare.